Good afternoon. So I bought this aloe plant. When did I buy her? Almost a year ago. And she got babies. Let me move this out of the way. She got babies coming out of her. But I think this pot is too small for her. So I went and bought a bigger pot. It looks bigger than what it really is. You only got to plant them up, maybe a pot in a size bigger than what they're in, because they like to be root bound. But this pot is not as big as it looks, nor is it deep. So I'm gonna go ahead and repot her into this pot. So I took it out of this pot. This is what was in it, I guess, for the drainage wise for her. So let's take her out of this pot. I'm trying to be very gentle with her. She seems to be pretty dry, which can be a good thing. Putting her in the pot that I have her in, she will sit too low. So I'm gonna have to add some soil to bring her up just a little so she sits perfectly in the pot. So now I got her in the pot. I just put a little soil at the bottom because I wanted to sit up in the pot. So I set it in there, and now I'm just going to fill it around the edges with the potting soil that I have. And she will be all set and ready to take off in her new home. Here's what she's in now. She has got her new home. And now it's gonna sit back and see how she likes it. I had her in my kitchen window because she was in such a very small pot. When I had her, she literally had like 2 or 3 of these coming out of her. So she's growing, but because it's fall coming up, or should I say it's fall, the 22nd will be fall here in zone 9B. I'm gonna stick her right on my porch on the back end of it so she don't get direct sun, but she will still get some sun, and see how she likes it outside, because now she's in this big pot. I don't have the space on my kitchen window to put her in there. So let's hope she likes her new home.